Hi guys, come to Barrs Court Moat. I was going to give the rowing 8 a little try, but we got a bit of a lack of water here. This is normally all covered because we got the regulation shopping trolley and traffic cone thrown in as well. But I just don't think I'll be able to navigate my way around all the rest of it. So I think this is a non-starter. We might have a little look round the corner. There's more water, or might be more water around there. We'll go and have a look. Well, I don't think we're going to get in the water here either. Not without falling in. It's all scummy over there. Well, in fact, no, that's the surface of the mud. Oh gosh. We really are out of luck today. Nope, there's no way I can get in there into deep enough water to test the boat. Well, I've never seen it this shallow. I mean, obviously we've had a very dry summer, so it's not that surprising. I just haven't seen it like this before. There was a very large koi carp in here. I doubt whether there's even enough water to cover it, so I expect that's long gone. I just thought I'd look from this angle, but even if I could get down to the water there, it's still too shallow and too far before we could even get the boat in the water. Alright, we'll abandon this. Well, this was the final chance, this bridge just here. But as you can see, no water, no access to the water at all, brambles and rushes. Yeah, it's just not going to happen today, not here. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.